Hey guys, this is Archimedes Tutor and we're going to be continuing grade 9 algebra with the distributive law. Basically, the distributive law is a law thrown at you that involves multiplication and division of polynomials. Here's my definition. You might want to pause this video and copy this down. Okay, so the distributive law is the law of multiplying one or more terms with another set of terms. For example, 2x is multiplied by 3 plus 5x squared. I'm going to jump right into practice. So I have three problems here where we have to multiply one monomial by one polynomial. Okay, so let's start with the first one. We have 2x times 3 plus 5x squared. So basically what happens is 2x is multiplied by 3 and 2x is also multiplied by 5x squared. That's basically the distributive law. So let's try it. We have 2x will multiply by 3 plus 2x multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5x squared. So 2x times 3 will be 6x, and 2x times 5x squared, let's see. So we have 2 times 5x squared, which will give us 10x squared, and then we multiply with one more x, so we'll just raise it by one exponent, so it'll become 10x cubed. And there's our answer. 6x plus 10x cubed. Next one, 2xy multiplied by 3x plus 1. So now we get the idea of what we have to do. So 2xy multiplied by 3x plus 2xy multiplied by 1. So we know that 2xy multiplied by 3 will give us 6xy, and we have one more x which needs to be multiplied with 6xy. So we'll just raise the exponent of 1. So that will give us 6x squared y, and 2xy times 1 will give us 2xy. There's our second answer. And third one, slightly more complicated. 4y squared times 3x plus 2 plus 5x squared. Draw my arrows. And 4y squared times 3x plus 4y squared times 2 plus 4y squared, just crowd it all in, 5x squared. Okay, now for the multiplication. 4y squared multiplied by 3x will give us 12xy squared, 12xy squared, and 4y squared multiplied by 2, so just double the value, equals 8y squared, and 4y squared multiplied by 5x squared. 4 times 5 is 20, and y squared and x squared will go together. So 20 y squared x squared. There we go, we got our answer. Now let's move to division. I have three division problems, and we're going to start with the first one. Let me choose a different color. Okay, 4x to the power of 4 plus 8y divided by 2. So again, we're going to distribute this. So 4x to the power of 4 divided by 2 plus 8y divided by 2. Divided by 2 will leave us with 2. So we just write 2 and put in x to the power of 4 beside it. Same thing with 8y divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. And we just put the y beside it. There we go. 2x to the power of 4 plus 4y. Slightly more complicated. and we have 3x y squared plus 51 y squared. Separate the terms. Three divided by 3 will leave us with 1, and y squared cancel out. So basically 3 and 3 cancel out, y squared and y squared cancel out, leaving us with just x, and this one, 51 divided by 3. You can check in your calculator and you will get the answer of 17. So once again we have y squared and y squared, we'll just cancel that out. So 51 divided by 3 will give us 17. So our answer is x plus 17. And here's our challenge. We have 6yz plus 4x divided by 8. So first thing I notice is that all of these coefficients are even numbers. So which means we can divide them by 2. And I shall probably simplify the fraction to make it more easier for myself. Okay, so 6 divided by 2 will be 3, and put the yc beside. 4x divided by 2 will be 2x, and 8 divided by 2 will be 4. So now we can solve this. So we are going to get fractions, but that's okay. We have 3 over 4, and we can just put the y squared beside it. And 2x plus 4. Oh wait, 2 and 4 are even numbers again, so we can just write 1 over 2. We simplify the fraction. So our simplified answer is 3 over 4 y squared plus 1/2 x. Now let's step up our game. We have question 1, 4x plus 2 in brackets multiplied by bracket 2x plus 1 bracket. Switch up my color to green. Okay, so basically it works the same way as question 1, but we just have to distribute for both terms. So I'm going to put my green arrows here and lower here as well. So 4x will be multiplied by 2x plus 1, and 2 will also be multiplied by 2x plus 1. So to simplify it, we'll write 4x multiplied by 2x plus 1 plus 2 multiplied by 2x plus 1. And 4x multiplied by 2x will be 8x, multiplied by 1 will be 4x. Oh sorry, this is 8x squared, since x times x will be x squared. And we also have 2 multiplied by 2x, which equals 4x, multiplied by 1 equals 2. Now we will simplify this, add up the like terms, which are these two. Our final answer is 8x squared plus 8x plus 2. Next one, question 2, 3x plus y multiplied by 2x minus 1. Draw my arrows. For those of you who are visual learners, arrows will greatly help you. So 3x multiplied by 2x minus 1 plus y multiplied by 2x minus 1. 3x times 2x will be 6x squared, multiplied by negative 1, which will give us negative 3x, plus y times 2x, which is 2xy, multiplied by negative 1, which will give us negative y. Basically there's no simplifying, so we can just keep it as it is and underline it. And now we have one mega problem to end our distribution law lesson. We have 4x squared plus 3y plus 2 multiplied by 3x minus 2y. I don't think I need to draw my arrows again. It'll be much more crowded if I did. So we'll just skip to the fun. 4x squared will be multiplied by everything in here, which is 3x minus 2y. Plus 3y will be multiplied by everything in here, which is 3y times 3x minus 2y. And 2 will be multiplied by 3x minus 2y. There we go. Now, to start simplifying, 4x squared multiplied by 3x, so 12x squared times x equals raise the exponent by 1, so that will give us 12x cubed. Multiplied by negative 2y, 4 times negative 2 will be negative 8. And that's why we'll just put 8x squared y. Plus 3y multiplied by 3x, which will give us 9yx, since they're not like terms. And 3y multiplied by negative 2y. Those are like terms, so 3 times 2 will be 6. Negative 6. 3 times negative 2 will be negative 6. And multiply the y's together, which will give us negative 6y squared plus 2 times 3x, which will give us 6x minus 4y. Now the biggest challenge here is to look for like terms. Surprisingly, we don't have any, so we'll just end our answer here and underline this. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please click the subscribe button. For more information on myself, Archimedes Tutor, or on this lesson, you can always visit my website www.archimedestutor.com. To learn more about the lessons I will be uploading, please visit www.archimedestutor.com. That's all lowercase letters. Thank you.